Good evening, children. I am again back. Today, in our class, we will learn how to write the numerals in numbers or figures by the International Place Value System. Children, in our previous class, I discussed about the International Place Value System or International Numbering System. Children, those are new, you please go to my channel and check the videos. See children, this is the International Place Value chart. Two examples are there. We have to write these numerals in numbers or figures by the International Place Value System or International Place Value chart. Go to the first example. 731,322,212. Okay. See children, million. Millions is the group or period. Okay. So in millions group or in millions period, how we will write 731? See, in hundreds place, we will write 700. So in hundreds place, we will write 7. Okay, then 31. Tens and ones togetherly makes 31. Okay, complete. Go to the another part. 322,000. In thousands period or thousands group, how we will write 322? In hundreds place, we will write 3. 300. So in hundreds place, we will write 3. Then 22. Tens and ones togetherly makes 22. Complete. Go to the last part. 212. It is ones period. Okay. It is ones period. 212. After 12, nothing is there. So it is ones period or ones group. So in ones group or ones period, how we will write 212? In hundreds place, we will write 2. 200. In hundreds place, we will write 2. 12. Tens and ones togetherly makes 12. So what is the number? The number is 731322212. Go to the next example. Read it. 322,526,672. We have to write this numeral in number or figure. How? See, billion. Billion is the period or group. Billions is the period or group. So under billions, how we will write 322? In hundreds place, we will write 3. 300. So, in hundreds place, we will write 3. Then 22. Tens and ones togetherly makes 22. Complete. Go to the other part. 233 million. Where is millions group or millions period? This is the millions group or millions period. How we will write 233 million? In hundreds place, we will write 2. 200. In millions group or millions period, how we will write 233? In hundreds place, we will write 2 as it is written 200. So in hundreds place, we will write 2. Then 33. Tens and ones togetherly makes 33. Complete. Then 526,000. In thousands group or thousands period, how we will write 526? In hundreds place, we will write 5. 500. So, in hundreds place, we will write 5. Then 26. Tens and ones togetherly makes 26. Okay, complete. Go to the third part. 672. After 2, no period is there. So, it is ones period or ones group. Okay, so how we will write 672? Here are ones group. See, 600. Go to the hundreds place. In hundreds place, we will write 6. Then 72. Tens and ones. Okay, togetherly makes 72. So, what is the number? The number is 3,222. 33 526 672. Okay, practice well children. Thank you.